So guys, I'm regularly getting asked more about primers. Why do we use them? Where do we use them? And which primer do we use? So let's go through it step by step and answer all of your questions.
Primers are used to ensure maximum adhesion, either by coating the surface or altering the surface energy. Some primers are used to speed up the curing of the adhesive. If the surface energy of the substrate is low, for example MDF, then the entire area must be primed. Primers should be used on all edges and corners of all substrates and wherever the product is to be stretched. Primer is required wherever film overlaps film. And underneath a splice joint. Primer is needed wherever a moving part is to be refitted, for example a door handle, hinge or coat hook. Generally on flat surfaces, primer is not required. Most emulsion paints are now washable. They contain something that stops things from sticking to them. It may adhere great to start with, but by the next day, gravity means they will fall from top to bottom. The best way to determine if your walls need priming is to perform a surface integrity test. Wipe the substrate with 70% IPA and 30% water. Wait until the area is dry and then apply a 1 inch by 12 inch strip of product to the substrate in an inconspicuous area. Punch a hole in the top for the spring gauge. Use a rivet brush and make 3 passes over the strip to gain ultimate adhesion. Zero out the scale and pull down at a rate of 1 inch per 5 seconds. The product should remove smoothly. A jerky motion indicates lack of adhesion. Permanent adhesion requires a spring scale reading of 450 grams or higher. It's very important to always use a matched component. Some primers are used to speed up the curing of the adhesive and will be engineered to complement their own adhesive system. Solvent primers are used on hard, non-porous surfaces such as high-pressure laminate, plastic and metals. Water-based primers are used for absorbent surfaces such as plywood, MDF and gypsum board. The easiest way to remember which is which and when to use them is that solvent primers are stored in hard tins, therefore they go onto hard surfaces. Water-based primers are stored in soft plastic containers, therefore they are applied to softer absorbent surfaces. Never be tempted to decant your solvent primer into a plastic container. It will melt the container. Never apply primer without using gloves, as primed fingers stick hard to adhesive. If you can't open the doors and windows, then swap from solvent over to water-based, but check adhesion first.
So guys, I hope that answers all of your questions regarding primers. Until the next time.